anybody who's got friends, na yung mga bata tayo na sinasabi natin, friends forever! It's easier said than done. And, di ba, hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Mahirap pala siya to keep the friends that you have also because the different seasons come and also it requires time and effort.
Yeah. So, yun yung seasons of life. Bihira kasi yung magpapare-pareho tayo ng interest sa life.
Yes.
May
Sabay-sabay
nagbabago.
tayo mapupuntis.
Yes,
Or sabay-sabay
oo.
tayo. Yes,
Or at some point,
mag-workout.
magkakaibigan tayo ngayon, pero ikaw may trip ka, Mars, na yun yung trip mo, so iba yung set of friends mo.
Yeah.
Dumarating talaga yung season na yun.
Yeah. Kami ang inyong mga... Nakakaluwag na talaga ang mga Mars,
Nakakaangat-angat na talaga tayo sa
Sense ba?
life.
Totoo, kumapag-hotel hopping,
Wow naman. Wow naman. What an experience, Mars.
Yes.
Diba? Ang saya to be able to do this together.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Kaya maraming salamat.
Yes, magpapasalamat kami sa... Nandito kami ngayon sa Hotel Okura.
Yes.
So, nandito kami ngayon kasi we're gonna be talking about friendship. And one of the things na nakita ko na ginagawa minsan ng mga mag-girlfriends,
Yes.
yung nag-afternoon tea sila.
Correct. Kasi, you know, for the mayaman.
So, dala ako nung
Guys,
inside joke yun.
Inside joke. Oo. Okay.
Oo.
Dun sa mga, okay. Basta, it's a joke po.
Kaya-
Huwag niyo po kami seryosohin sa lahat ng panahon.
Pero minsan masarap din magpanggap.
Totoo naman.
High-tea tayo dito sa Okura.
And I do love seeing those girls, yung mga girlfriends nga na nag-get together sila. It doesn't have to be as fancy as this, but today we have this opportunity to have this fancy afternoon tea together. It's called the Haru Afternoon Tea, available here at the Hotel Okura.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a Newport World Resort. So, ito na yung chance na magchikahan na naman kami na walang humpay.
And
Correct.
we're really not used to this kind of stuff. In fact, we're so not used to this, we don't even know what to do with this.
Yes!
Hindi nga namin alam yung, ano ba to?
Tinitinidor ba
Nagtagal
siya?
kami today kasi parang we were figuring out what
Oo.
is
It's so fancy. So thank you so much, Okura. We really feel so special here.
That's true.
Totoo. Ayan, so meron sila mga savory offerings, meron sila mga sweet offerings, tapos kasama dyan, syempre, meron kayo nun siya.
Correct.
Dahil nga, high tea!
I love it.
Oh, diba? Dahil kami ang inyong mga...
So
what's the tea?
Ito na nga.
Spill the tea!
Spill
the tea!
Correct.
Itong pag-uusapan namin, syempre, ito nga yung chance namin as friends to get together. I guess it's nice to talk about friendships in general.
Yes, not just the friendship that we have. I mean, we
Sure.
can also talk about that, like
Yes.
how we started as friends,
Yeah.
but also like the friends that you meet and the friends that stay,
Correct.
the friends that
You
come
lose?
and go,
That's
Yes.
true.
the friends that you meet along the way, and then kahit ilang taon pa kayo hindi magkita, when you see each other again, it's like no time has passed.
You call that low maintenance friendship.
Ayun
Diba?
pala ang tawag doon. That's my
Yes.
favorite
Me
kind.
also, yung parang walang sumbatan, walang samaan ng loob, kung hindi man nabigyan ng panahon o oras yung isa't isa. Naiintindihan nyo pareho yung season ng buhay nyo, ba't kayo
Yes.
na busy sa life at hindi nakapagkita. I love that.
But those friendships also come as a surprise.
That's
I mean,
true.
minsan you meet them like way in your 20s.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you don't realize na, wow, may kakaibang connection ako dito sa tao na to.
Tama. Tama.
You meet them once, tapos feeling close na kayo agad sa isa't
Oh my
isa.
gosh, I have people on Instagram. I haven't even met in person, but because I
Yes.
reply to, I
Messages,
exchange
yes.
messages, and then
Yeah.
especially if you're in the same life
That's true,
chapter,
Mars.
Yeah.
there is that connection that you have, and it's like you guys already know each other, kahit hindi pa kayo nagkikita. And you guys are very lucky that you're living in this age
Tama.
where you have social media, and you
Yes.
can create friendships like that.
That's
It was a
true.
lot harder back then.
Oh, for sure. Dati pen pal, kunwari meron kang sinusundan, fina-follow, susulat ka sa kanya, good luck sa'yo kung isulatan kanya pabalik.
Umabot ka sa
Correct.
pen pal.
Hindi naman yata. Parang hindi.
Very light, Mars.
Hindi
Yung
ba?
Parang, di ba dati
Ako,
may mga
email.
stationery.
Email,
Tsaka stationery, uso yan. Magsusulotan kayo, lalo na pag summer.
Oh, mini-mail nyo?
Oo, Mars, nakakatawa
Okay, now
kasi
I
siya na
remember.
parang matatanggap mo siya, tapos may mga stamp sense, so
Correct,
matututo ka rin
correct,
yun.
correct,
Tapos
correct.
aabangan mo siyang dumating sa'yo, tapos itatago mo siya sa treasure box mo, ganyan.
Oh, I think I only
Ang saya
had
din
one.
nun.
Ang ganda rin, ibang klaseng friendship din yan, tsaka communication style. So I guess we can get started on how we became friends. Although we
Yes,
did
okay.
talk a little bit about it
Roughly.
dun sa first episode natin. So Ian and I were first friends kasi si Drew used to be from Unang Hirit.
Yes.
And then so,
And our husbands would train together in triathlon.
yes,
So
yes.
actually, Susie and I were friends, but not friends to the
Oo.
point that we would go out together.
Hindi naman, hindi
Like
naman.
we would be friends, like when we see each other, when our husbands see each other.
Yes,
yeah.
Diba, when we'd see the boys go training and, we would talk.
Oo, kami yung mga triathlon wives.
Yes.
Kasi
Yun.
naging triathlete na rin kami. More
Oo,
iya,
na rin.
more iya
Totoo
than
na
me.
rin. Totoo. But that was the kind of friendship that we had.
Yeah.
Kayo naman,
Oh, sama.
Siyempre sa Mars. Ako naman, ang na-appreciate ko sa friendship namin ni Ate Suzy is because we're 10 years apart. Pero pag nagtsikahan kami, sobrang click.
Oo,
Ate?
oo,
Alam mo
oo,
yun, parang
oo.
we understand the age gap and parang there's so much for me. I see you as a friend and as a mentor.
Oo.
Na para sa akin, mahalaga pala na may mga kaibigan ka na mas matanda sa'yo.
and I can see that, especially in the way that you, inaate mo.
Yes. Yes.
Kasi yun yung it's funny because you and I, we're just 1 year apart.
Yes.
Hindi ko inaate si Sue.
Oo
Yes,
nga.
oo nga.
Oo nga.
Oo, di ba?
At mas matanda ako sa'yo. Diba?
Oo nga.
Yun yung dynamics kasi ng friendship.
Exactly.
Na hindi naman siya, meron akong kilala na kasing edad ni ate, even older than her, na hindi ko rin tinatawag ng ate. Tinatawag ko rin ng first name. Pero siguro dahil, because for you ate, I see you also as an older sister. So that's like my approach to this friendship.
Yes.
Na yung iba, friends lang talaga. Ako din sa kanila, friends lang talaga.
Oo.
Parang ganon.
Oo nga, no?
Interesting, right?
Hindi ate nakita, Sue.
Pwede rin naman, pero weird. Hindi na, parang too late na para ihagis.
adjustment, no? Ang
Because
hirap.
we've always, I look up to Sue.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's funny that when I think about it, parang, hindi ko inaate si Sue because that's not how we were introduced
Yes.
to each other.
Hindi yun yung nature ng
Kasi
relationship
nga, our
namin.
husbands are
Yes.
friends.
Yes.
So you're just
Oo,
automatically
so
friends.
we're friends. Tayo naman, Mars, hindi kita friend.
Hindi talaga kami
Hindi
Hindi
ko
kami
siya
friends.
Di ba nga si Suzy?
Ano lang kami,
Correct.
acquaintance.
Ako nga yung gusto nila sana kasama nila pareho. Na ang ending sila yung nagkatuluyan.
friend ko na gusto kong makasama. Di ba? Yun yung nakakatawa. Si Cams, ang friend ko, si Bradley,
John.
di ba? Kasi nga we would dance together. So you and I, when we came together, we were acquainted.
Yes.
And I guess we're just naturally friendly and nice people that we were nice to each other. And then I guess as we started doing Mars nga, we just connected in so many ways. Like, I think malaking bagay Mars yung we were both growing in faith.
True.
Mm.
Ako
Together.
naman, Mars, ang naaalala ko sa'yo, when I became pregnant with Nala, I messaged you kahit hindi tayo close.
Talaga ba?
Message ko
Oh my
siya.
gosh, see,
I
hindi ko
asked
naalala.
her some stuff about pregnancy. Kasi syempre, ang layo ng gap ni Nathan at ni Nala. 10 years.
Correct.
So, nung nabuntis ako,
Ah,
siya yung
I already had
tinitignan ko.
dreamers.
Yung kagaya ng sinasabi
Yes.
natin in our last episode. She was one of those, if not the only one, who we
That you
would
knew,
see
anyone that you knew.
Yes.
na nag-work out na buntis.
Buntis.
Diba? So parang feeling ko talaga, itong si Iya mukhang marami tong alam pagdating sa pagbubuntis ha. Alam mo yung kung meron kang tatanungin tungkol sa ang expertise ay pagbubuntis, I think she's the right woman to go to.
Oo.
So when I got pregnant, I asked you, Mars, hi Iya, I wanted to ask you if la 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 la, and then you replied to me, I think it has something to do with breastfeeding.
I don't even remember.
Yes. And I remember, Mars, kaya ako kumuha ng night nurse for Nolan was because you encouraged me. And during this time, hindi pa kami ganun ka-close. But I would get her advice
Oo.
on these things because she's very intentional also in posting things about her experience as a mom.
And I genuinely love connecting with other moms.
Yes, yes. Oo. So yun ang naaalala ko. Though hindi pa established yung friendship.
So,
Oo.
wala pang Mars pa more nun.
Nung kay Nala, wala pa.
Wala
eh.
pa.
Oo. Kay Nolan kami naging magka-work. Oo.
And how was that? Parang may connection ka na because you were messaging her because of Nala. Did that sort of like
And then
make
forget,
the...
there was the Sabah connection.
Oh, the
Yes.
Sabah connection.
And also, because we
Don't
also
forget the Sabah.
Correct,
Oo, the middleman
the
sa
middleman
ba.
of the Sabah. Tsaka hindi, Mars, nakikita kami sa ABS before. Hindi man kami interacting
Yeah.
like ng matagal, pero nakikita
Hindi
kami.
na namin alam na magka-eksena pala kami sa isang show.
Eksena. Sa isang show. We would constantly like, kumbaga, hi, magka-hi. Hindi lang
Oo.
kami chika.
Oo.
Hindi lang kami same group of friends.
Right.
So you can also make those kinds of friends
Yes.
at work, you know, where you can just be nice to other people, you know. Yeah, be nice to them at work, yeah, chika kayo, but then, you know, it's a deeper friendship when
Yes.
you see each other outside of that.
Yes, totoo yan.
Totoo
I
yan.
remember si Paolo, di ba nga hindi ko siya kabatch sa game plan. So si Paolo, Rufy, and Yas ang first batch. So dahil kami na yung magiging second batch, ini-interview namin yung mga former hosts. So I remember I was interviewing Yas, and they make such a good trio, yung tatlo.
Okay.
Maharot sila, enjoy sila, Inglesan sila ng Inglesan kasi game plan nga kayo. So sobrang match sila. I remember asking Yas, so do you think you're going, kasi kami na yung next batch so ini-interview namin yung outgoing. Do you think you're still gonna see Rufy and Paolo after this? Tapos sabi niya, no, I don't think so. Tapos ako parang hindi yun yung tamang answer. Feeling ko,
Ilang years sila magkasama?
one lang naman.
Okay,
To be
okay.
fair, one lang.
Pero bakit daw?
Kasi alam niya, she could tell right away
It just wasn't that kind
in
of
her
friendship.
wisdom. And hindi rin siya,
Work friends to.
correct, hindi rin siya showbiz na, yeah, of course, hindi rin siya gumanon. Alam niya,
Oo.
likely not. Parang ganon. And true enough, hindi naman na sila naging friends beyond that. Kaya sobrang precious nung mga tao na nakakatrabaho mo na nagiging friends pa rin kayo outside of that. Kasi doon, pag kunwari nag-work kayo, hindi naman sa trap kayo together eh. Same schedule naman
you have
kayo eh.
to.
It's beneficial. I mean,
Kaya nga
it's just
nagkakadevelopan
natural.
nga yung mga ibang love team.
Correct.
Because they're together.
Walang effort,
That's
Marcy.
fine.
Wala. Ito, gagawa mo na ng effort, iba-iba na buhay ninyo, iba-iba na yung trabaho ninyo.
Oh,
Because-
seasons ng life.
Yes.
Because it's true, to keep friends and to keep a good relationship and to make it grow and flourish, you have to invest time into it.
Takes so
Mars.
much work.
Diba?
I remember kami ni Paolo, isa kami sa earliest na nagkaroon ng family. Earliest na nagkaroon ng sariling bahay, earliest na nagkaroon ng anak. So afterwards, syempre, na-FOMO ako kasi hindi na ako nakakagimik eh. Syempre, nasa bahay ka lang, nagpapadede ka, nandun ka, nag-aalaga ka ng bata, ng asawa, whatever. So parang out ako. I missed out on so much and I felt like a lot of my college friendships medyo nag-fizzle out because of that.
Yes.
And then so I was telling Meg, nabuti na lang kapatid ko, best friend ko rin siya, parang si Mimi, parang gano'n. Na parang sabi ko nga, parang I feel that, na parang sometimes you feel na mas choose ba nila yung isa't isa out na ako, ayaw nila ako i-choose. Alam niya, hindi sa ganun, kaya lang, kahit na ayain ka naman nila ng ayain, alam naman nilang
Hindi
tatanggi
ka
ka.
pwede.
Nire-respect din naman nila siguro yung time of your life na yan, kaya lang, yun talaga ang kapalit nun.
Oo. Mapapagod lang din silang ayain
Mapapagod
ka.
din sila. Tapos,
Okay lang
oo,
yun.
Oo.
Okay lang
Kaya
yun.
lang, syempre, by the time you get out of it, kumbaga, ibig sabihin, by the time na may oras ka na pala para lumbas, sobrang close na sila. Tapos ikaw, parang outsider ka na. So may mga ganung types of friendships din na medyo, yun, mag-fizzle out.
And that's the reality. Now, yun nga, especially if you're not just talking about like two friends, but you're talking about a group of friends, there is that fear na, ako ba yung parang
Malileft
weakest link
out na
dito?
ba ako?
Ako ba yung
Oo.
hindi nila parang, are they talking about me? Am I doing something parang you can't help but kind of think about
Yes,
these things, di ba?
Absolutely.
And then, parang they went somewhere and they didn't tell me about that. Di ba? Parang hindi ako invited or hindi.
Tsaka yung parang dati feeling ko close naman kami, parang lahat naman sila friends ko. Pero bakit nung nagkaayaan, hindi ako nayaya?
Oo, or
Pero
minsan,
kilala ko naman silang lahat.
or minsan yung,
Oo.
ba't parang mas close na itong tao na to
Yes.
sa isang friend namin, pero siya dati yung ka-close ko.
Or something like, nagkakilala sila dahil sa akin.
Yan.
Pero ngayon, parang sila na
Yan.
yung mas close. Tapos parang na-out ako.
Mm,
Di ba parang, I think I brought them together.
yes.
And then now, I'm out.
Yes.
Meron din ganon, ano?
Do you
My
think-
gosh!
Do you think it was because of a certain age we were at? Like, would you still think that way now? If you had a group of friends, would you still get insecure about it? Or
I think
Or do you
so.
think, you think
Nobody
so?
wants to feel like they've been taken out of a circle. Parang
And I think it'll make you wonder, bakit? Anong meron na ako yung na-out? Siguro may ganon. Like, I was telling Ate
Am I doing
Suze,
something wrong?
Yeah, recently, na yun yung na-feel ko na there's this group of friends that I feel like I'm close to all of them, or at least I have a relationship with each one of them. And then I would see them all together. So it makes me wonder na parang, ba't kaya hindi ako nakumbida dun? Anong, like,
May na-miss ba akong message?
oo, or parang, may kailangan bang ma-achieve na requirement
Oo.
para maimbita ka? Ano ba?
Oo.
Pero sure ka nga na kumbaga, yun, baka may na-miss ba na message? Sure ka naman
Sure
na.
ako na
Oo,
wala.
Sure naman na
Oo,
wala.
kasi syempre, bago ka naman mag-overthink,
Check mo lahat.
Oo,
Check mo
at saka
lahat.
isipin mo muna na parang may na-miss ba ako na invite and stuff like that.
Oo.
And for a time, Mars, I would like overthink that. Up until na-realize ko na parang, alam mo, okay lang naman. Kasi, I feel like, in friendships, if you feel like hindi ka welcome sa ganong grupo, then wala ka namang ibang choice kung hindi tanggapin siya. Kasi ano naman ang gagawin mo? Then
Ipilit
I
ang
think it's
sarili
more
mo.
of like, exactly, it's more of like, maybe hindi talaga fit. Maybe yun lang talaga siya. Hindi mo siya kailangang isipan ng malalim, not something that you should be anxious about, but more of like, baka akala ko click kami pero sa kanila pala hindi, 'di ba? So, and okay lang yun.
That's why I was wondering, does it come with age? Like, kunwari with Susie, parang Susie was saying, I would still get bothered by it.
I would.
I was
But
too,
ikaw, Mars,
Mars.
parang, I'll be okay with it.
Because I think it's been going on for a while. So, ibig ko sabihin, na-process mo na lahat ng anxiety mo
Tama.
bago ka umabot
Tama,
dito na
tama.
okay ka na doon.
At saka meron kasi question mark sa isip mo, na bakit kaya? Anong meron? And then, syempre, mag-iisip ka na, may nagawa ba akong mali?
Of course.
May na-hurt ba ako na isa sa kanila? Kaya ganun yung naging
Yes, yes, yes.
resulta, di ba? Or
Oo.
kaya ganun na hindi ka naiimbita. But at the end of the day, I realized na parang hindi mo naman pwedeng ipilit yung sarili mo. And then, if it's just not your circle, then find your circle.
yeah.
Meron at meron naman na para sa'yo talaga.
And you can have different circles.
Exactly,
That's
Mars.
true.
Diba?
I love
Oo.
that.
Because when I think about it, Suze, like if I was in that situation, because I'm a friendly person, but I don't think I have many friends.
Same.
You know what I
Same
mean,
din.
Mars?
Ay, isa pa maganda topic yan, ha? Kasi pag bata tayo, sa amin paramihan ng friends, ha?
Oo.
Super laki ng mga barkada namin. High school, grade school, college, sobrang laki. Tapos yung ending, bakit parang
Natira
sila?
I don't think I have, the way I see it, I don't feel like I have many friends. But
Many close friends.
yeah, I don't
close
have
friends,
many
even harder.
close-
Okay,
yeah.
I'm a
here's my
friendly
question.
person. But so when I think
Same,
about that, I
same.
don't know if I would find myself in that situation anymore. Kasi piliin nila
Oo.
yung mga tao.
Ito yung tanong ko,
Yung
paano
friends
mo
ko.
ngayon masasabi na kaibigan mo talaga yung isang tao? Kasi ngayon, at this point, ito yung dilemma. Sobrang dami mong kakilala. Because of social media, like ito, example. Social media, nakilala mo once, makikita mo sa friend request mo, ina-add ka na niya. Just because na-meet ka niya once.
Yeah.
So, marirecognize mo naman, ito yung na-meet ko sa ganitong event. Tapos, syempre ako, parang for me, this is just me, ang friend is someone that you really know. You talk
Yes,
to,
yes.
you do life with, somehow updated ka sa life na
Yeah.
and stuff like that. But in this season na, ang laki na ng possibility na sobrang dami mong pwedeng makilala. How do you now categorize which one is actually a friend or which ones fall on being an acquaintance?
Acquaintance silang lahat. Sorry. Ibig ko sabihin, unless meron ka talagang
Oo.
long-term, deep
Right,
relationship
right.
with them, acquaintance naman talaga silang
Tama.
lahat eh. Ako, happy ako that I decided na meron talaga akong private and public accounts.
Right.
So, yun. So, pag nasa private ko kayo, malamang friends ko kayo, totoong friends ko kayo.
andun ako.
Diba? Nandun kayo.
Napaisip ako, alin yung...
Sigurado,
andun ako,
pareho.
andun ako.
Nasa pareho kayo.
Correct. Have I done something wrong?
Ang taas na anxiety.
Mars, you know, I've also come to realize then that there are also kinds of relationships where, kunwari, I think you're a friend to me, but you might not feel the same way. Is it a mutual friendship? Kasi there are some
Iba
people na
yung
parang,
intensity.
I feel like I can open up to you, but you might not necessarily feel the same. Diba? But ako parang feeling ko I can. Diba? So ang hirap eh. Ang daming...
Magkaibang speed. Alam mo, ang friendship, I've always thought of it almost like a romantic relationship.
is.
And I actually, no, when I was younger, valued that even more. So yung friendships, yung meron akong best friend dati, kasi mas matagal ko siyang kaibigan, tapos nagkaroon ako ng boyfriend nung college, syempre siya yung pipiliin ko. Problema, pinili na isa't isa.
Ano ba to, guys? Ayun naman yun eh. Wala ka naman talagang control kung sinong pipiliin
Wala
niya,
talaga.
diba?
Pero kumbaga,
Sumalas na lang talaga.
so may betrayal din ang friendship.
Yes.
Of pareho lang yung tingin ko sa kanya almost.
Actually,
with a
ate, masakit.
romantic relationship. Ang sakit niya pag nag-break kayo. Oh my God.
Oh,
Tsaka pag
my
natapos
goodness.
din siya.
Have you
Oo.
guys gone through heartaches with friends?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Especially nung tumanda ako.
Yeah.
Like, I realize I have lesser friends now, but mas gusto ko na ngayon yung meaningful friendships. Like, one of the ways I know a person is my friend, like, ito, example. you have like a small gathering that you want to invite people.
Mm-mm.
So ngayon, paano mo malalaman kung sino lang? Gusto ko intimate lang eh. So pag intimate, ibig sabihin, yung talagang alam kong
Salang-sala.
kaibigan ko.
Mm-mm.
At yung alam mong pupunta.
Yes, at alam kong pupunta or mag-e-effort na pumunta. But how do you sala that, di ba? Paano mo yun malalaman? Isa sa mga naging namin ni VJ is that, ito bang mga taong to, pag may problema ba tayo, sila ba yung mga matatakbuhan natin o makakausap natin tungkol sa buhay natin? So that's our question. Pangalawa, tinitignan ko yung chat ko. Sino yung madalas kong kausap? Sino yung nakakausap ko, nakakwetuhan ko, natatakbuhan ko pagka may problema, may it be like may sakit yung mga anak ko. I have that one friend who is my classmate in high school. Hi, Janelle. And she's a doctor now. And she's my own personal doctor. And I super appreciate that about her. I love you, Jack. Because even my family, my parents, would message her. Doc Jeng, may may ganito yung pakiramdam ko. And like in 5 minutes, she would reply with what to do. Yes.
With a
And parang,
prescription.
and I feel
Love
like,
it. Love a friend like that. Hi, Doc friend.
Oo, and I feel like, sobra ko siyang na-appreciate kasi nakifeel ko yung pagiging genuine niya pa sa akin at sa family na hindi ko nararamdaman sa kanya yung, hoy, napapagod na akong
Correct.
kakasagot ng mga
Oo
tanong
nga,
niyo tungkol sa, well, gusto ko na kayong ibila,
Oo.
hindi ko yun na-feel sa kanya. Like, I just know she's a sincere, genuine friend na hindi ko sinasabi na inaabuso ko, I hope not, but she's just that one person that we run to.
Yeah.
Kasi ang parents ko takot sa doktor, may mga phobia sa doktor. So, kaysa doktor-doktora nila yung sarili nila, at least they go to a real
Totoong
doctor, and
doktor.
that's her. And I appreciate her kasi we don't see each other. She lives in Batangas. I would constantly message her when it comes to my kids. I trust her with my life. Her opinion matters to me more than anything. So, yung ganung level of friendship.
Si Janelle.
Super appreciate her. And maybe I don't tell her enough how much I appreciate her. But yun yung kind ng friendship na hindi siya high maintenance.
Yeah.
But you
Yeah.
just know that when you need each other, you're there for each other.
Yeah.
Mars, you mentioned that she's your grade school friend.
High school friend,
High school
Mars.
friend.
Yes.
Do you find that there's a friend, like was it in grade school or in high school, na that was a good time to make friends?
Mine was grade school and high school.
Grade school.
Ang saya ng CSA forever.
Dalawang taon nga lang ako doon but I have like really close friends.
Diba?
And
Ang
they're,
saya niya eh. Tapos yun yung mga time na, ang naalala ko
We have
lagi.
this cheering competition.
Yes.
Oh my God.
At saka yung-
Camping trips. Hi,
Totoo.
Bessie Kate.
Oh,
May attorney Kate. Diba? Yun yung, alam mo, ang haba ng pinagsamahan.
Yes.
Na not even the busyness of life or kung ano man ang dahilan nyo, ba't di na kayo nagkikita can take that away from you. May ganong friendships eh.
So you still have
Grade school
Your
friends.
CSA friends.
Grade school. Yung
High
barkada ko
school friends,
talaga.
yes.
So, yan yung mga pinakamadala. Kunwari, mag-50th birthday ako. Isang message mo lang doon sa group, automatic, complete attendance silang lahat.
Grabe.
As in ganun. Oo. Yung mga satellites. Hi, satellite! May mga pangalan ng grupo-grupo kasi. Yung mga
Bakit
boys
kayo
na-
sakalite?
Di ko alam eh, kasi yung boys namin sakalers, di kami satellites, the girl versions. So parang yun sila yung oldest friends ko. Kasi since grade 6.
Yes.
Ko sila kaibigan.
Okay.
Pagdating ng high school, sila pa rin. Kasi CSA naman kami.
Yeah.
Pagdating ng college, I belong to a really big group. So sa Ateneo, meron siyang walkway ganun. Tawag namin EDSA walk. Puro benches yan. Nakatabay lahat ng tao dyan. Iba-ibang year level, iba-iba ng courses. It was the biggest barkada hanggang quad. Ayan, nakakalat kaming lahat dyan. Super tambay lahat. Tapos pagkatapos na pusa, parang dalawa na lang yung kaibigan ko.
Really from college.
And also, they were my blockmates. And they're the ones that I teach sa Ateneo with, si Anya and Vina. So parang, but when I think about it, in terms of college, parang wala din ako masyadong, it's weird kasi, extrovert ako na whatever. Tapos at the same time, hindi rin ako nakaka-keep ng friendship ng marami na solid. Si Meggie naman kabaliktaran. Si Meg, yung kapatid ko, sobrang dami niyang kaibigan na very solid. Hindi naman sobrang dami din, kumukonti na din as she got older. Yung kanya naman, ang dami niya mga kaibigan kasi din, sinasabi niya sa akin, ate, syempre single naman ako. Marami naman sa amin single din. So may oras din naman kami to see each other. Yun nga, when life, yung sinasabi, iba-ibang seasons kasi, sana swak kayo ng seasons, di ba? Dahil nga kami, na tayo, nabibisi na mag-anak, mag-alaga, bawas ka sa friendship time.
Pero pag dumating naman sa time na ang mga kids mo,
Yan.
di ba, medyo
Oo.
independent na, nasa
Oo.
college na, dami mo ngayong oras na chumika ulit.
Yes.
Na sana nandun pa rin sila.
Yun lang.
Diba?
Oo. A lot
Na
of the
sana
times,
pagdating nung time na yun,
totoo.
click pa rin kayo.
Totoo.
But then also, that's also a season for you to make new friends.
That's true.
Diba?
Yeah.
Like to make new friends that are also in the same season. And sometimes you'll come across them so unexpectedly.
Yeah.
That's so true.
Diba?
Have you made a new friend lately? Kasi
I
yun
made
yung isip ko,
a
parang
really-
hirap na hirap ako to make new friends.
She's not new anymore because it's been a few years already. But we became friends because our kids have birthdays that are just 4 days apart.
Okay.
And so we were going through the whole pregnancy, going to the hospital at roughly the same time. She would see me, but I wouldn't see her because I didn't know who she was. And then we were buying clothes for our kids at the same time. And then she approached me and said, "Hi, yeah, I think we're neighbors." And I was like, "Oh, really? Where do you live?" And then we found out na halos just across the street. And then
Yeah.
ever since then, like
Wow.
our boys became friends and then we became friends.
Yeah.
So yeah, like that was just really weird. But like I feel we have a really tight relationship.
Right.
And and she like opens up to me about things.
Nandiyan ba siya nung birthday ni Anya?
Yes, she was.
Yes.
Anong the baptism?
Yeah, the baptism, I'm
Yes,
sorry.
yes.
She-
She was
okay,
there.
Oh.
Yes,
I don't
Tita.
remember her now if I met her.
But yeah, but she was there.
Oh.
And my college friends are also really tight too. But we're actually, even my high school friends and my college friends, we're probably really bad friends in the sense that we don't really give each other time.
Yeah.
We do message each other, but it's just so hard to make our skids meet.
Yes.
But
Ang hirap.
when we do meet, voila, it's just like no time has passed.
Right.
We pick up from where we left
Right.
off. We
That's
just
the
catch
best.
up. We're always there to support each other.
Yeah.
But yeah, those are the kinds of friendships. Like my friendship with Hannah.
Yeah.
Ay, the
Like
best.
it's funny.
The best.
Hannah, the lead singer of Session Road, as a VJ.
Huwag naman lead singer of Session Road.
Lead.
Oh, sorry.
Ay, baka ano bang sinabi ko?
Kaya niya late.
Yung accent ko kasi akala ko sinabi mo the late singer of Session Road.
Oy, Hannah, wala akong sinasabi ganyan. ha?
Sorry, bingi.
Okay.
Accent, that's it's the accent. The lead singer of Session Road. I was a VJ. We didn't know each other. It wasn't until our husbands were training together in
Yes,
triathlon
yes.
na doon kami nagkakilala. And then we became super tight. And she's actually much older than me, like an ate. And it's funny because hindi ko din siya inaate. Pero parang siyang ate sa akin. But yeah, that was a friendship that I gained much later on na in life. Yeah.
I wish
May
na
mga
to make
ganun talaga.
parang I want to try to make new friends that will stick. So I guess one example would be si Ange ng Delonghi.
Yes.
Mga naka-Delonghi kaming lahat, actually.
We love it.
Yes.
So parang syempre she started out as a sponsor sa unang hirit and stuff, but there are just people when you meet them, sobra kayong click agad.
Tama ka. Tama
Grabe.
ka.
Yung
She
parang,
has some kind of energy
That's
that's
true.
she's just so light to be with.
super.
Na parang ang tagal nyo nang magkakilala.
Oo.
Meron naman yung sobrang awkward din. Alam mo
Meron
yung,
din.
oo, I
Oo.
think yun yung kapag hindi lang kayo same personality or iba lang
Totoo.
talaga.
Or iba lang yung
Oo,
energy.
iba lang.
You're not necessarily better than that
That's
person,
right.
except lang hindi lang kayo same vibe. So
Agree.
si Ange, sabi ko, shucks, yay, I made a new friend at my age. Yung ba, I feel like it's such a
Ooh, that's
win.
mochi.
So parang I keep trying to visit her and stuff. So nung una match kami na schedule, but Ange, at saka yung mga boss nila, si Sir Joni, palaki ng palaki yung business nila. And si Ange, ito naman yung difference. Kung kunwari, nagkaroon ka ng mga issues with friends na, wala, tanggapin ko na lang, I'll process it, and then tanggapin ko, ganito nangyari. Ako, because I got so old na, grabe, I got so old, tinatanong ko talaga sila.
Ano mo yun yung sobrang gusto kong makuha na ugali mo ate?
Ano yung
Pagtanda
tinatanong
mo, pag mga 10 years from now,
Ano yung
Hindi, yung
tinatanong
ganitong
mo?
edad ka, parang ganyan ka na eh.
palagay mo.
Oo.
As in, yung
Which is like so
diretsahan.
good. Parang may problema ba tayo? I remember there's this coworker that you have.
Aha.
Tapos parang feeling mo, biglang nag-iba siya sa'yo. Diba?
Aha.
Tapos kinonfront mo na parang, excuse me, may
Yes.
nagawa ba ako? Bakit
Yes.
parang, alala mo na,
Yes.
oh,
Kasi ayoko na mag-wonder.
Yun,
Ayoko na mag-wonder
yun.
kasi umaabot ka ngayon sa gabi, natutulog ka, hindi ka makatulog, tapos pinapawisan ka, naisip ka ng isip, ano ba yung
Yes.
ginawa
Yeah,
ko?
yeah, yeah.
Ano, nire-replay mo yung last time na nagsama kayo, may nasabi ba ako na baka na-offend siya?
bakit nag-iba siya?
Shucks, di ba?
Oo.
Umabot na ako doon sa point. As in, well, kino-confront ko lang. So si Ange, I remember, parang nagtampo ko sa kanya. Eh, minsan nagtatampo din ako sa'yo, di ba?
Nagtatampo siya.
Nagtatampo
Oo.
ako sa...
Mararamdaman mo pag matampo si ate.
Yes.
Masungit siya
remember.
sa text.
Oo,
ganun.
oo, oo.
remember there
Walang
was
mga
a time-
smiley face. No. As
As
in,
an ate, naalala ko, nung first time tayo magkita, tapos nagkadawala-wala si Sis.
Nainis na siya. Oh my God! Ano ka? Sasagutin niyo ba ako o ano? Diba?
Na-feel namin ni Cam.
Oh my gosh, ate Susie, ibang pattern. But I think that's the beauty of the friendship kapag alam mong gets niyo yung isa't isa. Kasi meron, kunwari, may papatol, pero yung ganyan lang talaga siya. Ganon, diba? So, going back,
Yun. So,
Oh.
parang I remember
Si Ange.
telling Ange nga na parang sabi ko, oh, parang something like it's so hard to get into, parang we make plans, tapos
tas
biglang
hindi matutuloy.
tapos I'm already there, tapos parang she did say something like, parang, I really want to, kaya lang grabe din yung naging schedule niya. Tapos parang ako din, na-process ko na rin siya na, ang work ko, natin, versus a person na
Yes.
totoong may trabaho. Kasi parang pili ko, totoo ba itong mga trabaho natin? Ang trabaho ko sa umaga, 2.5
isip
hours.
lang to.
Diba? Parang, so the rest of the time, pag sinabi kong mag-hangout tayo together,
Yeah.
I can hang out with you for 4, 5, 6 hours kung gusto mo, kung kaya mo.
Tama.
Hindi pwede yun sa lahat ng tao.
Yeah.
So parang, and then ang appreciate ko naman kay Ange is, alam kong sobrang busy siya, tapos siya pa yung nag-handle ng DeLonghi account,
Yeah.
ng mga Instagram, whatever. Pero pag siya kausap ko siya, tutok siya. Tapos gaganto lang siya, Mars, pa-check lang ng phone ha. Ako rin. Tapos mag-check kami ng phone.
Magkakaintindihan.
5 minutes. Tapos yun,
Okay, back to
Okay,
chika.
back.
Okay.
so meron na kaming ganong dynamic. Tapos
And it's so healthy.
it is.
It's so healthy.
At dun, yung parang nagkatugma, yung medyo sinabi ko sa kanya yung tampo ko, nag-explain siya, natanggap ko na tama nga naman. Yung oras na meron ako ay hindi pareho ng oras na meron kayo.
Yes.
So sobrang okay lang, parang I'll take what I can get.
Yes.
I'll take what I can get. Parang ganyan.
Grabe, no?
Diba?
Talagang
Diba?
ibang versions din talaga, Mars.
Ikaw ba, did you have like a best friend in Australia growing up? Or kunwari sa ABS that you're still in touch with? Ang hirap kasi
I
pag hindi
feel
mo naka-work
I
eh.
have really close friends and they're pretty much family from Mix because we were together for 10 years.
Wow.
We were together for 10 years.
Sino itong
Sila
mga...
Luis.
Luis, Nikki, Bianca, Chino, and even our bosses, Miss Ina, Miss Mila, Ate Cathy. My goodness, I call him Dax, Kuya Daryl. There's a whole bunch of them. Juday.
Gano'ng
Yeah.
kadalas mo sila makita,
And-
Mars?
We rarely see each other, but we have a
Hindi,
thread.
no?
Okay.
So we're so lucky because now we live in an age where, you know, you have these threads, you have these
Yeah.
chat groups, and
Yeah.
it makes it easy for you guys to still keep in touch. And Luis will still send walang kwentang pictures of himself na kung ano-ano. Luis just being Luis.
Ako, ang galing naman na atin is yung Mars staff
Yes.
na from
Oo.
News TV.
Oo. Oo.
Talagang, ano lang, very active yung chat
Yeah,
group.
yeah.
Na hindi kailangang magkita.
Totoo
Pero
naman.
kapag nagchikahan dun, sobrang relate kayo.
Oo.
Tapos binabalik yung mga dating mga katatawanan natin or
Yes.
most memorable things.
Kahit 20 times nyo nang pinagtawanan,
It's
it's
the
still
same
something-
story. Yes,
Same
yes.
story, but it's still something good.
I
to
have a
laugh at.
question. When is it time to let go of a friendship? Kasi nangyayari talaga siya, di ba? Like ako, Mars, meron akong mga naging kaibigan na parang, yung medyo nararamdaman mo na parang, parang hindi na kami on the same page nito
Kilala ko to.
Maingay, baka
Nakita ba? May camera ba?
Hindi, pero meron talaga.
Meron eh, meron.
Meron talaga. Isipin nyo na, for sure, kayo, meron din kayo niyan. Yung, for a time, on the same page kayo, pero dumadating yung panahon na nag-iiba kayo ng values, nag-iiba kayo ng beliefs. Tapos parang, unti-unti na parang hindi na to masyadong click, 'di ba? And parang, ikaw mismo, dahil nararamdaman mo na parang bumibigat na siya,
Yeah.
inallow mo na rin na slowly mag-drift apart yung friendship. And I've experienced that as well. Na parang, alam ko parang, uy, medyo hindi na to kagaya nung dati. Tas, hindi ko na lang din in-effortan. May ganon.
Pero there was no formal with you guys,
Wala,
di ba? Walang
wala,
ganun eh.
wala.
Nag-fizzle
Wala
out
naman
lang
eh.
eh.
Oo,
Wala eh,
oo.
di ba?
Wala naman siyang, last nakita na natin to. Kasi parang hindi na tayo.
At isoli mo yung mga regalong bigay ko sa'yo.
Wala naman
Parang break
ganon.
up talaga.
Parang ano na lang siya, parang it naturally dies down. It naturally ends.
Yeah,
And both of
because-
you accepts na parang nagmo-move on na tayo
Yeah.
into different friendships.
Yeah.
And ako, Mars, naramdaman ko yun. Because like si Iya, at some point, ikaw, nasa 30s na ako nung naging magkaibigan tayo. Kami ni Mars,
Oo,
Iya,
oo.
mid-30s na ako niyan. And I realized na nagkaroon ako ng bagong friendships or nag-form ako ng new friends because nag-iba rin yung mga gusto kong gawin. Kasi na-inspire akong mag-workout. So, syempre, mag-gravitate ako dun sa mga tao na yun din yung hilig nila.
Totoo.
'Di ba? So, yun yung seasons of life. Bihira kasi yung sabay-sabay tayong magpapare-pareho tayo ng interest sa life.
Yes.
May
Sabay-sabay tayo
nagbabago.
mabubuntis.
Yes,
Or sabay-sabay
oo.
tayo,
Or at some point,
mag-workout.
magkakaibigan tayo ngayon, pero ikaw may trip ka, Mars, na yun yung trip mo. So, iba yung set of friends mo.
Yes.
And then, since you spend more time there, then syempre, mas malalim
Mas
yung
close kayo,
friendship na
yan.
nabibuild mo doon.
Totoo.
So, parang dumarating talaga yung season na yun.
Yes.
Like, I remember for a long time, ito lang yung set of friends ko. And then, when I reached mga 30s, ganyan, slowly may mga natatanggal na.
Yeah.
May mga hinahayaan ka na rin na, oo nga, parang hanggang doon na lang din siya. But not necessarily na pag nakita kayo, hindi na kayo friends. Of course, pag nakita kayo, hi, hello. Pero alam mo lang na naturally, medyo yun na siya. Na-exhaust nyo na yung
Yes.
friendship na yun.
I remember we had a guest on Mars. I can't remember exactly who though. And naging guest natin siya at the time when I was having a breakup with a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
Ito para ako nag-ghost. We were so close.
I remember
Every week we were together. Tapos nun may nangyari na hindi rin masyadong clear sa akin kung ano nangyari. Tapos out na ako sa buhay niya. So nung time na yun, parang ito yung talagang iniiyakan ko. Like 1 year. 1 year kong iniiyakan to. Tapos nun, nagka-guest tayo. So syempre iniisip ko, wow, what kind of a person am I? Para iwanan ka ng isang tao. Parang jowa talaga. Parang, shucks, iniwan niya ako. Ano nangyari? And then we had a guest on Mars na nagkaroon din siya ng ganung experience. Tapos siya din yung nagsabi na parang, naisip ko na lang, pinipilit din niya eh. Ano nangyari? Anong ginawa ko? Ba't tayo nagkaganito? Tapos naisip din niya, yung friendship niyo na yun, hanggang dun lang talaga yung lifespan niya. Hanggang dyan lang siya. And then, ang lag ko namang kabarkada natin ng pandemic, lalo kasi every week nakikita kami si Maggie, si Gemma, at saka ako. Kasi Gemma's, kasi Gemma's my neighbor.
Kasi magkakapit-bahay.
Correct. Tapos si Maggie dumadayo, nagsisleep over sa bahay. Tapos meron siya lagi sinasabi, kasi syempre yung lost friend ko, common friend namin, so pinag-uusapan namin. We'd always talk about friendships or different kinds of friendships. Nasabi, ang ganda pagkasabi niya, friendships, meron kang friendships for a reason, a season, or a lifetime. A reason, hi mama! Si Gemma yan. A
Ganda.
reason, a season, or a lifetime.
that.
Itong season na to, young moms tayo, co-parents tayo, magkakasama tayo.
Magkakaklase yung mga
Yes.
anak natin.
For some
You
reason,
both are going through a heartbreak.
yan.
You're both going
Nakaka-relate tayo sa isa't isa.
Oo. Or a lifetime. At kung meron kang matira na friend kahit isa, hindi naman paramihan to eh. Although alam ko competitive tayong lahat. Pero kumbaga,
Pagdating sa friends, hindi. Although minsan gusto ko maging friend din na Solen at ni Belle kasi parang feeling ko cool sila. I want to be part. They're so cool. I want to be part of that group.
baka gusto rin nila maging friends tayo, hindi mo naisip.
Di ba parang gusto ko natin sila sa height?
Oo, yan. Dahil marami tayong pagkain. Baka,
Kaya alam baka nagjejeta sila, hindi ito yung trip
Sabi
nila.
ko, we make the cut. Hindi pa tayo bagay sa friends, sa circle of friends nila.
bagay. Pero yung ganun pala, yung parang a reason, a season, or a lifetime.
I love
And if
that.
you were so blessed to have 1 or 2 friends, 3 friends, if you're super lucky at the end of your life, na barkada, I love those reels or whatever na lumalabas na older na sila, tapos harutan sila ng harutan.
Yeah.
Wow, what a blessing.
At saka
to have
yung
those.
nakikita ko doon, Mars, yung finally nakapagbakasyon na sila, pero matatanda na sila.
Oo.
Diba kasi parang, ganun eh.
Oo.
Minsan ganun
Life
yung
happens.
buhay.
So baka finally, ito na yung chance natin kung kailan empty nesters na silang lahat.
Correct.
But I think it's also nice to point out, Mars, to our Mars who are
Yes.
listening, to also be open to the friend that you might be to someone without you knowing it.
Tama.
Because you know what, like I said a while ago, like I feel like I can open up to this person, but you might not exactly feel the same way, but ikaw naman, you're happy to listen.
Comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what, it might be such a life stage of mine na parang, wow, it was such a hard time. But you remember, Mars, that day when I sat down with you and you were listening to me, but that really helped me. You know, so sometimes you don't even know.
That's right.
But if you are willing to listen and to be there for people, even just for a few minutes, you don't know the kind of friend you can be to that person in that moment.
A friend for a reason. Ayan
Siya
yung
naging buhay niya nung pagkakataon na yun.
yan ang friend for a reason.
Tama.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yung
Hindi siya
pinadala ka ni Lord sa life.
correct.
Kasi hindi naman kayo magkakilala, hindi
Yeah.
naman kayo. Pero pivotal yung moment na yun. Kasi alam mo ba na nung nangyari ito, ito yung nangyari sa akin.
Tas ikaw naman,
beautiful.
ano yun, hindi ko na maalala. Di ba,
exactly.
Diba? Ikaw hindi mo maalala, pero yung isa, sobrang important pala sa kanya.
Nung chance yun.
That's why it doesn't
Moment
hurt to just be kind.
That's true. At the
Diba?
end of the
Just
day,
be kind
Mars.
because you don't know the kind of relationship you're bringing and the life you're bringing into that person's life or the light that you might
Lalo
be
na dun
bringing.
sa mga maliliit na chance meetings na gano'n. Tama.
So itong Friendship for a Reason natin sa ating podcast, a season during this time na pwede tayong mag-emote at mag-share. And hopefully for a lifetime.
That's
If we can
true.
have all
Hopefully for a
three.
lifetime.
Yes. Diba?
I look forward to that.
Diba? And learning continuously from each other and sharing that with our viewers as well.
Yes, and for our Mars and Pars out there who might be going through a season of having to let go of friends,
Yeah.
having to make new friends, it's part of it. And
That's true.
And I'm sure that during that time, that was a season that we didn't even anticipate. Na parang, kung kailan matanda na tayo, dito pa tayo magkakaroon ng problema sa mga kaibigan.
Exactly.
But it happens.
Yes, yes.
It happens. And sometimes, there might be misunderstandings. And then, like, I remember I had a misunderstanding. And then when we tried to fix it, too much time had already passed that she made a different friend group already.
Yes.
I made new friends. And it just wasn't quite the same. And
Yeah.
we still wanted to be friends.
Yes, yes.
But we tried to make it work. We tried to, fix things. We tried to mend it. And yes, there was forgiveness. Yes, there was peace. But the reality was we're just in
Yeah.
Dama.
Different places
different
na.
places
Yeah.
right now. But we still love each other.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, yeah.
So, be open to that. I guess just be mature about it.
Ako naman, Mars, just to end this a little for me, yung naintindihan ko dito is whenever I have things like that or may mga iniisip ako na ganyan, tungkol sa bakit kaya ganito, di ba minsan na-anxiety ka
Yeah.
kaka-overthink. I am just reminded of this verse in the Bible and it says there that as far as it depends on you, make peace with everyone. So it's like an intentional thing that you choose. Maybe kung na-hurt ka man, choose to forgive. Baka hindi naman nila intensyon na saktan ka. And then kasi yun din yung way mo to move on and free yourself from that baggage of being anxious over things na kahit na anong gawin mo, wala ka na rin namang makukuhang sagot. Unless i-confront mo sila.
Unless tanungin
Pero
mo
para
sila.
saan?
Like Suzy.
Ako magtatanong. Akong bahala, be.
Oo, sige nga.
Akong bahala.
Oo, para
Na-
magka-closure na to. Kasi meron lang talagang mga pagkakataon na kahit na gustuhin mo ng closure, whether it's a friendship, whether it's a relationship, talagang hindi mo lang siya makukuha talaga. And for me,
Meron
you
din.
just choose to accept that.
Yeah.
Na parang, baka hindi ko kailangang malaman lahat.
Yeah.
Baka hanggang doon na lang talaga. Kung ano man yung mga tanong ko, itanong mo na lang sa hangin and
Yeah.
just let it go.
At saka pag
Ika nga ni
nag-iisip kang...
Elsa.
Oo nga, tama.
Diba siya, Mars? Kasi, what's the point? Kahit na anong isip mo dyan, it will just cause you what? Anxiety, bitterness, maybe, overthinking. And those things will not help you. And yung taong kinaanuhan mo, ni walang
Wala siyang
ka-idea.
Yes. And I think you just got to face the reality that maybe it doesn't mean the same to that person as it
As
does
it
to you.
Yes, yes.
So
Oo.
make peace with yourself and your heart na hanggang doon na lang siya. Forgive if there's any hurt in your heart. Na
Appreciate
feeling mo,
the friends that you do
yes.
have.
Saka importante
ganda.
doon kasi, Mars, yung minsan kasi, yung benefit of the doubt, baka hindi naman na sinasadya.
Yeah.
Baka may pinagdadaanan lang din siya nung panahon na yun. Baka pinagsisisihan din na ito ngayon, pero whatever it is, I choose to let it go and I choose to forgive and move on. Kasi, mas ma-appreciate mo yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo.
Yes, totoo naman.
And the people that want to be with you. The people
Tapos
that want
i-mute mo
your
sila
time.
sa social media mo.
Charot! Grabe! Hindi, pero pa rin.
I mean, if it gives you peace,
Maalala at maaalala mo
gives
pag
you
ano
peace.
notif
I mean,
ng
do what you have
notif.
to do. Whatever.
tulungan
Yes.
mo yung
Help you.
sarili mo.
Yan,
Diba?
yan.
Nang hindi ka rin nakakasakit ng
Yeah.
ibang tao.
Help yourself.
So I guess no, sa mga nanonood sa atin, meron nga palang, naku baka hindi ko na mahanap, pero meron kasing tao na nag-message niya.
At siyang nag-request
Yes.
ng itong topic na to.
Yes, exactly.
that's
Kaya
right.
maraming salamat. Sa pag hindi ko na baka hindi ko na mahanap yung name mo bago matapos ang
Sige,
aming
okay lang. Habang hinahanap mo dyan, I really just want to thank all of those who listen in and watch us
Yes.
for all of your positive comments and the very minimal negative.
Oo. Konti lang na. Konti lang na.
Sa live, tinatanggap din po namin.
Yes.
Yeah, but really, we really want to thank you guys for your support. And grabe, I think, to be honest, I think we decided to do this podcast for us
Yeah.
more than for anyone else. So we just love how much you guys
Yes.
are also enjoying it as much as we are enjoying this. So I hope you guys keep on listening and watching.
Yes,
love
please
it.
like and subscribe.
Yan, tama nga pala.
Don't forget to click the bell.
Correct.
Wow, the ding ding ding.
Yes, so
Oh.
that you will be notified if
And
we have
let
new
us-
episodes. Wow.
Yes.
Tandaan ko yun
Ang galing mo
naman.
dun, Be. Galing mo dun, Be.
And let us know your topics also.
Yes,
Suggested topics,
please.
because we're more than happy to just keep on talking.
Oo nga,
Yes.
totoo. Nahanap ko na Andre, and to you. Or into you.
Into
Baka yun.
you,
Siya nagsabi, sobrang educational and fun manood sa channel na ito. Pwede po next time about breaking up with friends or paano mag-sort out ng mga real friends in life. Thank you po. Andre, we're also sorting it out ourselves. So hopefully meron kami mga nuggets of wisdom na na-share sa'yo. And just to let you know, and everybody else who's interested, anybody who's got friends, na yung mga bata tayo na sinasabi natin, friends forever! It's easier said than done. And di ba, hindi pala siya ganun kadali as you move
you get
forward your
older.
life, as you get older. Mahirap pala siya to keep the friends that you have also because the different seasons come and also it requires time and effort.
Yes.
Oo, kaya minsan piling-pili na lang siya towards as you get older kasi kailangan yung mga taong gusto mo na lang talaga makasama.
And it's just part of life.
Yes,
That's it.
yes, yes.
And also those
totoo.
that are just willing to give you the time and those that have the time to give you at that time.
That's
Yes,
It's
yes.
really just gonna change. And I'm sure in your heart, you'll feel it.
Oo, oo.
If it's right, if it's wrong, if you gotta filter it out.
If you need to fight for it still, or if it's
Oo.
time to move on.
Yes, but always just also be open kasi just like love,
Yeah.
you can find friends at any age. So magugulat na lang kayo baka meron kayo makatabi sa bus or what, kasi
Yes.
tsikahan kayo.
Aeroplano,
Yan.
mahabang flight.
Tapos tsikahan na kayo, tapos baka maging lifelong friend nyo rin siya. Who
Exactly.
knows?
Just, wherever you go, just be kind.
Mm-mm.
Because you don't
That's
know the kind of friendship might blossom out of that encounter.
Agree.
Just be
Wow.
kind.
Another wonderful episode. Once again, nagpapasalamat kami sa Hotel Okura for this beautiful Haru afternoon tea that they served us. Pwede na kami kumain.
Iuwi ko na
Ayan
to.
na.
Okay, no. So, impake mo na ang kahon.
Impake ko na
Ang
siya.
mahiwagang
Okay.
kahon.
Pasok mo sa
Ang
lupa.
cute,
Hindi.
diba?
Ang sobrang cute.
Ano
Thank
ba
you so
yan?
much, Hotel Okura, for having us.
Yes,
Super.
thank you guys. At magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na episode na
Kami ang inyong mga